Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and I have something I've never seen before. It is Scratch and Sniff washi tape. Who knew? Did you guys know this? I had no idea. So I ordered some stuff from Michael's, and I found all this washi tape, and it was half off. So I spent $3 on each one, and thought that I had to have it. So there were more. I didn't get all of them. There were a lot more. I didn't even get half of them, but I got the ones that I thought that I would like the best, and I haven't smelled any of them yet. And now that I'm doing this, I'm kind of wondering, because I see that the scent is on this. Oh well. Okay, so these are pumpkin, and it has one that has little pumpkins on it and one that has pies, and it says, "Pie makes me happy. Hello, gorgeous. A harvest of memories." Oh, leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. I am thankful. So without scratching it, I don't smell anything. So let's scratch them. Oh yeah, it's like a very light hint of it. Wow, how cool is that? Oh, so I'm going to see if I can smell it better on this. Definitely better on this sticker. Oh man, that's awesome. So I don't know how I'm going to store these, because I want to know, I want to remember that these smell like pumpkin. I might just fold it and put it in the middle of them. Like that. Oh, that's awesome. How cool is that? Okay, and then this one is maple sugar. And I think I'll just fold this one like that, because it says maple sugar over here, but the little sticker is over here. Oh, that smells really good. So this one has little leaves, maple leaves, I'm assuming. I don't know, those aren't maple leaves, are they? And this says fall, sweet, sugar, just really nice. Oh, that smells really good. I think I like the pumpkin smell better just because I like that smell better. Oh, but this is fabulous too. They're both really, really good. Wow, I am surprised. I'm surprised at how good they smell. And I'm surprised that they even have this. I didn't even know. And I don't know how often you'd really use it. I mean, I don't know. It's just nice. Okay, so let's see. Let's do another sweet one. This is, I don't know what, maybe washi or cake or something. Vanilla. Okay, this one's really weak. It's there, it's just really weak. So it has little cake sprinkles, and then hey cupcake, treat yourself, which I love. So let's see how this smells. Yeah, the vanilla is really, really weak. It's a nice vanilla. I guess I don't know how practical these are gonna be, because who's gonna like smell it? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I used this washi, scratch and sniff it. I don't know. All right, let's do lavender next. Oh, wow, that one's strong. And that one's good. Oh my. Oh. Yes, this one is really nice. And that one has a lot of scent. So this one has the little lavender, like sprigs. And then this one does too, but it's tone on tone. Very pretty. And then let's do the coffee. I'm going to save the pizza for last. That can either be really good or really bad. The coffee is probably good, though. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. It's kind of like mocha. So there's coffee, and it has little coffee cups all on the top, and then this one is just different kinds of coffee. Coffee, latte. Oh, this says love you latte. Cute. Oh, man. Oh, these smell fabulous. Like really good, guys. I would totally recommend these. They are remarkably good smelling, all of them. The vanilla is the least smelly only because it's the weakest, but the scent of all of them is spot on. It's really good. All right, here's the pizza. Woo-wee! Holy cow. Oh, it smells like pizza. Love fades, pizza is forever, in crust we trust, and then little pizzas all over. Isn't that cute? Woo! It's very much pizza smelling. Oh my goodness, I just scratched it a little bit because this is really strong. So definitely, a lot of them are pretty strong. I wonder what my hands smell like. They smell like pizza. Wow, that's weird. So I don't even know. I couldn't even tell you. My favorite scent is the pumpkin just because I like that scent the best, but they are all really good and I love all of them. I mean, honest to God, they are all fabulous scents. I would be happy with a candle in any of those, except for the pizza. The pizza candle might be a little much, but you know what I mean. Fabulous. So give them a try, guys. I got these at Michael's and they were half off. So hope they are for you too. Bye-bye.